In this video, we're going to explain the basics of Thermosyphon Sealant Systems and why they're used for some applications with the SILVERSON inline mixer. We've discussed where you'd use a single mechanical shaft seal and where a double mechanical shaft seal is required in another video. But briefly, single mechanical shaft seals are product lubricated, and if the product is sticky or abrasive, the seal faces can be damaged and leak. A double mechanical shaft seal overcomes this. A sealant fluid is used to flush a chamber between the two seals at a higher pressure than the product that is being mixed, so only the sealant fluid crosses the seal faces. The sealant fluid needs to be compatible with the product being mixed, and preferably non-flammable. If water is being used as a sealant fluid, then it is normally discharged to drain. Mains water can be used in many cases, providing there is sufficient pressure. To achieve this, the flow of sealant fluid needs to be restricted on the outlet side of the double seal chamber to pressurize it to 1 bar, 15 psi, above the maximum mixer outlet pressure. Systems are available to regulate and monitor this. But if another liquid has to be used as a sealant fluid, such as oil or glycerin for example, then a thermosyphon system is often required. This lubricates and cools the shaft seals by convection. The sealant fluid is recirculated from a chamber mounted above the mixer. The chamber is pressurized with air or nitrogen to 1 bar, 15 psi above the maximum mixer outlet pressure. Sealant fluid flows down to the seal where it cools and lubricates the seal faces. As it heats up due to friction, it then rises upwards from the seal outlet back to the sealant chamber. This displaces the cooler fluid in the chamber, which then flows down to the mixer, continuing the circulation of fluid through the system. The Thermosyphon Sealant System normally needs to be positioned approximately 1 meter above the seal chamber of the inline mixer and no more than 1 meter away on the horizontal. If positioned further than this, then an auxiliary recirculation pump might be required. Contact us for further information or guidance with selection of sealing systems for your application.